So first thing we're going to do is we're going to scan this. Madison's going to scan it. And we're going to get a tutorial on how to put this thing together. All right, here it goes. It should be short. All right, so bam, it shows them opening up the box, of course, first, pulling out the legs, the manual, all that stuff. So it shows you everything that you got. You got to shove the feet in. That's important because it has to be up about, how many inches that is. And then you pull that off, stick it in front of it, pull the tray out, smush it out. Then you got to put the bag in, and you put the blue thing in the very front of it. You'll see here in a second, they just shove it through. And then once you got that done, you stick that back underneath the machine itself. Then you plug it in. And then you got to plug it into the plug. It's going to level itself after you hit the power button. Then they want you to put in the, the cat litter, and then it self-balances. And then once it gets there, you got to get the app. You put it down. You hit your Wi-Fi. You put in the Wi-Fi password, all that stuff. And once you've got that done, you're ready to go. All you got to do is let the cat get in there and do his cat thing. And yeah, it shows you all the buttons on the bottom. And again, it's going back and forth, and there's the cat poop. It falls down in the bag. You pull the thing out, pull the bag out of the thing, and Bob's your uncle. That's how you get rid of all the old cat litter. And there it is. They wrap it up, take it out, throw it away, and then you can clean it. Shows you how to clean it. It's just going to show you how to take it all apart too. So yeah, that's how that works. All right. That's how you do it. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and check out our special cat litter box that we got. It's pretty cool.